Yeah, hi, thanks. It's great to be here and talk about the topic I'm really passionate about. Yes, largely it was true in earlier days when GIS companies required lots of investment in softwares and hardware as well. But at PDRL, through AeroMegh Intelligence, we are here to just nullify all these things. For our AeroMegh Intelligence, you don't need any upfront investment related to software, hardware. It is totally on paper consumption basis. As and when you have requirement, you have data, you just process it and pay for it. Otherwise, you have all the luxuries to use all the features. For 15 days free trial version is also available. So anybody who is starting their own business with very limited resources, very limited funds, actually, he can use our all-in-all services on AeroMegh Intelligence. Secret sauce, as you put it right. Basically, in AeroMegh Intelligence, we are making an affordable GeoAI solution for each and everyone. Our solution is purely SaaS-based platform, where you don't need to invest anything on machinery. The machine sits in your office, and you have to manage a complete IT infrastructure team to manage all the IT infrastructure. Our entire solution is just plug-in kind of a solution. You just log in on AeroMegh Intelligence and start uploading your data, process your data, and you can get the results immediately. In nutshell, if we go the brown points of our solution, no need in investment software or hardware, no need to manage any IT team to manage your infrastructure at the back end. You will always be with the latest technology, latest update with our AeroMegh Intelligence, and the kind of reports and authenticity customers demands now in these days. So manual annotation, you're putting lots of money and efforts in manual annotation. Through our software, you can do it like a week's work in some hours only. So it's a fantastic solution, and really we mean it that we are making an affordable GeoAI solution for the industry. Absolutely. Basically, it is the next pillar for us. As I said that we are creating a solution which is very affordable for GIS and GeoAI service providers. Our solution is effortless also. So you don't need any coder or any data scientist to run our solution. A basic candidate who is able to do annotations, to understand a little bit of computer technology, he can easily identify and annotate the solutions. We can create ML detectors by own, and our solution effortlessly create reports out of your drone data. You just need to bring your drone data, GIS data, which is can be from drones or satellite images as well. You just bring that data, upload in our system, and our detectors will identify, annotate. Detectors will generate reports accordingly, and will give an authentic reports which can be acceptable by our end customers as well. Yes, certainly there are so many industries, but you can take an example of, let's say, for power sector. In power sector, be it power transmission line monitoring and management or power distribution companies, they are getting lots of benefit out of this. As you know, in power transmission line, the lines generally passes through a very different terrains. Sometimes it is not possible to reach out to your line or inspect for any maintenance or any fault or anything else. But through drone, you can easily reach out to each and every component of your transmission line. Timely, you can monitor that and you can rectify the faults. So power sector is the best example for these kind of GeoAI. Other than this, rural urban development department, agriculture department, solar power, windmill technology, roads and highways, railways, every sector is getting precise data, precise report, on-time reports for all their needs. So every industry is taking lots of benefit of GeoAI now. Yes, sure. They can visit our website. It is www.aeromegh.ai. There lots of content is already available. Lots of case studies are available, white papers are available, blogs are available, webinars are available. And recently we added a guidebook over there. So anybody who is even not a technical guy or he doesn't understand much about drones and GIS technology, if he go through our guidebook, so he would be easily available, able to get all the information. Everything is available on our all these content I'm talking about. And after all, we also have freemium account as well for 15 days. So anybody who is keen to learn more about the GeoAI, he can just sign up with our free 15 days plan and use all the features of the plan which is available. And for any support or anything, anytime he can reach out to our team as well. So we are there to support for in any manner. My pleasure. Thank you for having me here. Thank you so much.